As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Solana cost will hit $250 toward the finish of 2026 and afterward $300 by the center of 2027. Solana will ascend to $400 freedom the Gibber time of 2029 and $500 in 2035. Solana value Gibber 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Gibber 2 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $153 Gibber 2 cents, so the cost expanded by 51% from the outset of the year. The determined Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is 233 Gibber, and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end, Gibber 52%. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $200. In the final part, the cost would add $60 and close the year at $260, which is plus Gibber 9% to the ongoing cost. Solana Gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring in Gibber Solana cost would move from $260 to $390, which is up half. Solana will begin 2026 at $260, then take off to $319 inside the Gibber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at $376. That implies plus 100 Gibber 5 freedom from today. Solana expectation 20 Gibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $390 to $635 Gibber, which is plus 63%. Solana will begin 2031 at $390, then, at that point, take off to $415 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $400 Gibber dollars. It is about plus 100 Gibber 7% from today. Gibber 1st 2024. Gibber value papaya 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Gibber 2 cents. Today, ointment Gibber at $147.26, so the cost expanded by 44% from the very outset of the year. The Gibber Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $222 and the year-to-year change plus 118 applesauce. The ascent from today to year-end, plus Gibber 1%. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $191. In the final part, the cost would add $57 and close the year at $200 Gibber 8, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Solana Gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Gibber cost would move from $248 to $374, which is up 51%. Solana will begin 2026 at $248, then take off to $304 inside the Gibber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at $359. That Gibber plus 144% from today. Solana Gibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $374 to $609, which is plus 63 Gibber. Solana will begin 2031 at $374, then take off to $398 Gibber the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $422. It is about freedom 100 Gibber 7% from today. June Gibber 2024. Gibber value forecast 2024 to 2025. Gibber cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Gibber exchanged at $144.71, so the cost expanded by 42 papaya from the start of the year. The Guaj Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1 Gibber $1 and the year-to-year change plus 68%. The ascent from today to year-end, Gibber 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $165 per 1 Gibber. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $222. In the last part, the cost would add $50 and close the year at $200 Gibber 2, which is plus 88% to the ongoing cost. Gibber forecast 2026 to 20 disappointment. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $272 Gibber to $423, which is up 56%. Gibber will begin 2026 at $272, then take off to $321 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $336. That implies plus 100 Gibber 2% from today. Solana Gibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would Gibber from $423 to $551, which is plus 30%. Solana will begin 20 Gibber 1 at $423 and finish 2031 at $423. It is about plus 192 Gibber from today. Gibber first 2024. Gibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Gibber 2 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $166.89, so the cost expanded by Gibber 4% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is 201 Gibber, and the year-to-year change plus 97%. The ascent from today to year-end, Gibber 20%. In 2024, we hope to see $100 Gibber 4 per 1 freedom. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $200 Gibber 1. In the final part, the cost would add $59 and close the year at $320, which is plus 92% to the ongoing cost. Solana Gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $320 to $498 per pair, which is up Gibber 6%. Solana will begin 2026 at $320, then, at that point, take off to $378 Gibber the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $395. That implies Gibber 137% from today. Solana expectation 2031 to 20 Gibber 5. In this period, the Gibber cost would ascend from $498 to $649, which is plus 30%. Solana will begin 2031 at $400 Gibber $8 and finish 2031 at $498. It is about Gibber 198% from today. May Gibber 2024. Gibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Gibber 2 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $143.87, so the cost expanded by 41 Gibber from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $265, and the year-to-year change plus 100 Gibber applesauce. The Gibber from today to year-end, plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $183 per 1 Gibber. In the main Gibber of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $345. In the final part, the cost would add $78 and close the year at $423. Which is plus 194% to the ongoing cost. Ointment Gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Gibber cost would move from $423 to $508, which is up 20%. Solana will begin 2026 at $423, then dip to $381 Gibber